12 essential foods to cleanse and support your liver naturally. Did you know that your liver is like the body's ultimate detox powerhouse? It's constantly working 24/7 to filter out toxins, process nutrients, and keep your entire system running smoothly. But here's the truth. In today's world, our livers are under more pressure than ever from processed foods, medications, alcohol, and even the air we breathe. But don't worry, nature has given us powerful tools to help. In today's video, we'll explore 12 essential foods that naturally cleanse and support your liver, helping it stay healthy and resilient for years to come. So, stay with me until the end, because number 12 is a game changer most people overlook. But first, let's look at why your liver matters. You see, your liver isn't just an organ. It's a metabolic powerhouse. Specifically, it filters toxins from your blood. It processes fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. It regulates hormones and blood sugar. And it also stores essential vitamins and minerals. And when your liver is overwhelmed, you might feel fatigued, bloated, or even experience skin problems. But the good news is that certain foods can help restore balance, reduce inflammation, and improve detoxification naturally. So, let's dive into these 12 essential liver cleansing foods. 1. Garlic. Yes, this humble kitchen staple is loaded with sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes that are responsible for flushing out toxins. But garlic also contains selenium, a mineral that enhances detoxification. As such, adding a clove or two of fresh garlic to your meals can boost your liver's cleansing power naturally. 2. Leafy greens. Yes, green veggies like spinach, kale, arugula, and other bitter greens help neutralize heavy metals, pesticides, and other toxic substances. All these veggies are rich in chlorophyll, which aids in blood purification and protects the liver from chemical damage. As such, try a green salad or smoothie daily for extra support. 3. Beets and beet juice. Keep in mind that beets are packed with antioxidants as well as nitrates that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. But they're also high in betaine, which helps the liver to process fat more efficiently, making it an excellent choice for people concerned about fatty liver. 4. Grapefruit. Being rich in vitamin C and antioxidants like naringenin, grapefruit boosts the production of detoxification enzymes in the liver. And studies suggest that it helps protect against liver damage by reducing inflammation and preventing fat buildup. However, if you're on certain medications, check with your doctor first, since grapefruit can interact with some drugs. 5. Avocado. Yes, these creamy fruits are loaded with healthy fats and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant crucial for detoxification. And so, regular avocado consumption helps reduce liver inflammation and supports cellular repair. 6. Green tea. Research has found that green tea is packed with catechins, natural antioxidants, that improve liver enzyme levels and reduce oxidative stress. And so, drinking 2 to 3 cups of quality green tea per day has been linked to a lower risk of liver disease. However, avoid overdoing it, as too much concentrated extract can have the opposite effect. 7. Walnuts. Yes, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, both of which help detoxify ammonia, a byproduct of protein metabolism that can stress the liver. But they also improve blood oxygenation, supporting overall liver performance. 8. Turmeric. Bear in mind that turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In particular, it helps regenerate liver cells and stimulates bile production, which is essential for digesting fats and eliminating waste. You could try adding turmeric to curries, soups, or golden milk for a gentle daily detox boost. 9. Apples. Yes, an apple a day really can keep the doctor away, and in this case, it helps your liver too. Studies have shown that apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that binds to toxins in the digestive tract, making it easier for the liver to process and eliminate them. 10. Citrus fruits. Yes, lemons, limes, and oranges provide a powerful vitamin C boost, which helps convert toxic substances into water-soluble compounds that the body can flush out. And so, warm lemon water in the morning is a simple ritual that gently stimulates the liver for the day ahead. 11. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage all increase levels of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. Specifically, they are rich in compounds like sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol that support hormonal balance and protect liver cells from damage. 12. Olive oil. Yes, here's the one many people overlook: extra virgin olive oil. You see, high-quality olive oil provides a protective lipid layer that reduces oxidative stress in the liver and helps remove harmful toxins from a body. In particular, use it raw, in dressings, or drizzled over cooked vegetables for best results. And now let's put it all together. Incorporating these foods isn't about strict diets. It's about making small, consistent choices that protect your liver over time. And you can try these simple swaps. Add a clove of garlic to your stir fry. Start your morning with warm lemon water. Enjoy a green smoothie with spinach, apple, and a squeeze of lime. Swap out butter for extra virgin olive oil in cooking. And I bet you, your liver will thank you, not overnight, but steadily as inflammation decreases and detox pathways strengthen. So, always remember that your liver is the quiet hero of your health, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you safe. And these 12 foods are nature's way of giving back, supporting one of your body's most essential systems. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips every week, and share it with someone who cares about their health. And now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these liver-friendly foods do you already eat, and which ones will you try this week? Drop your answers in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier liver.